Welcome to the Connect MLS Add and Edit Overview tutorial. In this tutorial, we will explain how to add and maintain your listings. There are 3 access points on your MyMLS homepage for adding listings into Connect MLS: the Add New Listing link, the My Listings Transactions icon, and the Listings tab. From the Listings tab, you can add a new listing, change the status of a listing, edit listing details, extend expiration date, and more. Let's examine the basics of adding a new listing to Connect MLS. You can either start a listing from scratch or select from your list of saved drafts. To retrieve and continue with a saved draft, check the box next to the listing and click Continue. For the purpose of this demo, we will start a listing from scratch by clicking on the Continue button. First, select a property type. Next, specify how you want to enter the listing data. You can manually enter the listing data or auto-populate it from other sources. The auto-populate feature enables you to pull data from tax records, MLS listings, and CMA subject properties. To learn more about auto-populating your listing data, watch our auto-populate options tutorial. If you don't want to auto-populate, select the option to manually enter all listing data, and click Next. Here you can enter the basic location and price information. Based on the MLS area number, Connect MLS will specify certain cities, zips, townships, etc. that you are able to enter. Connect MLS will present you with valid choices and automatically fill in a value if there's only one choice. Once you have finished entering the basic listing information, click Save and continue to proceed. At this point, your listing is saved as a draft. You may choose to complete the new listing or return later. The main listings entry screens are divided into tabs. As you go through each tab, your listing information is automatically saved. You can either click on the tab's name or use the Previous and Next buttons. On every tab and at any time during this process, you can preview your listing. To learn about adding photos, virtual tours, open houses, and more to your listings, watch our series of adding and editing property listings tutorials. If you would like to save your work and return to it later, you can save your listing as a draft from any tab by clicking Save as Draft. You can access your listing drafts at any time in Connect MLS by choosing Draft Partial Listing from the drop-down menu, or clicking New Listing. When you are finished entering all of your listing information and are ready to submit it as a new listing, click Save and Continue. If your data has any basic errors, a red X will appear on each tab that has a problem. Once you've corrected all of your errors, click Save and Continue again. When your listing passes the initial error checks, there are still more in-depth checks to make sure that the listing conforms to the MLS rules and regulations. Detailed messages will appear if you are in violation of any of the rules. You must correct any errors displayed before your listing can be assigned a listing number. If you only received a warning message, you have the opportunity to correct the problem, but you can still assign a listing number. In some cases, you can fix the problem on the warning screen. The MLS Rules Department is notified of any uncorrected warnings. When you have passed all rules and checks, click Assign Listing Number. Thank you for watching the Add and Edit Overview tutorial. To learn more about your listings details or status, watch our Editing Your Listing Details and Editing Your Listing Status tutorials.